Hi and welcome to SAH Architect. If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share it. I strongly recommend to subscribe this channel because I upload like these videos frequently. In today's session, I will be covering the Revit user interface screen and navigation. Let us open Revit project. Just click on the architectural template and the Revit will open an architectural project. Let's start from the upper left corner of the screen where it shows the big R. We know already this is an application menu. On the right side of this application menu, we will get the quick access toolbar and so on, as we learned in the earlier session. Here we will focus on the ribbon once again. This is an architectural tab, as you know, structure tab, system tab and so on. When we click the architectural tab, we can see the build panel, circulation, model, room and area, etc. And here this is a wall command. Before clicking the wall command, I want to make you focus on modify tab. Here this is the modify tab, and just watch this blank area here and see a blank bar here also. So let me go to the architectural tab once again. Under the build panel, I am clicking the wall command. So as soon as I click this command, watch out the modify tab once again and you will see an extra tools here under the draw panel, which is used to draw the wall. We can also see an options bar here. Earlier it was a blank bar. There was nothing here. We will learn all these options later, but in this session we will complete our user interface. I want to cancel this command, so I am clicking the modify button just to come out of this wall command. Here is our actual drawing area where you will do the 2D and 3D work. On the right side you can see the project browser, and here on the left side you can see the properties. Here is our view bar where you can change the annotation scales, or you can change the view to wireframe, hidden, shaded and so on. And there are other tools which we will come across in future sessions. You can move the project browser by holding its title bar and drag it and release it. Similarly, you can also move the properties, just drag it and release. To get it back, hold and click the title bar of the project browser and drag it until it reaches the right edge completely and then release it. Similarly, drag the properties title bar to the left edge of the screen and you can also see a preview there. On seeing the preview, release the button. Accidentally or intentionally, if the project browser and the properties are closed, then you can bring it back. Click the view tab. Under the Windows panel, click the user interface and mark the project browser. It's back again. Similarly, once again click the user interface and click the properties. Here is properties. It's back again. Here is the simple model which we can use to learn the navigation in Revit. In order to zoom in, rotate the mouse wheel front, and to zoom out, rotate the mouse wheel back. Here, mouse pointer works as a focus of zoom in or zoom out. For example, my mouse pointer is on this corner of the model. As I zoom in, I rotate the mouse wheel front, then the zoom will take place in the corner of the model, since there is the mouse pointer. Again zoom out, and we will check by keeping the mouse pointer here at this corner at the bottom of the model, and then zoom in. Now this works as a focus for the zoom in. I will zoom out once again, or you can press ZE, zoom extend. The shortcut for the zoom extend is ZE. In order to pan the model, hold the mouse middle button down and move the mouse in the direction you want to pan. Similarly, hold down the mouse middle button and drag it and release. In order to rotate the model, hold down the middle mouse button first, then the shift key from the keyboard. You can see the changes in the mouse pointer, and then move the mouse in order to rotate, and release the mouse button and the shift key when done. We can also make use of this view cube. You can click on either the face of the cube or the corner of the cube or even the edge of the cube. If I click the top face, then the model orients to the top. If I click any of these icons, we can see that particular view. If you click the corner, it shows the isometric view as per that corner. You can click the edge also. This is an home button, so on clicking this, it acts as a zoom extend. Bring the mouse pointer over and hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse. When finished, release the mouse button. In our example, I select the window. When I rotate by using the mouse middle button and the shift key, it rotates based on the window, means based on the selection. Now this point acts as a pivot for the rotation. If I select this door and rotate, then the model rotates based on this door. The door acts as a pivot point for the rotation. Besides this, you can also navigate the model using the floor plans such as level 1 or level 2. For example, if I want to look at the level 1, double click the level 1 under the floor plans. This is the level 1. We can navigate to the standard elevations such as south by using this icon, or you can double click the south under the elevations. On the either points, just double click. Here is the south elevation. Let me close this south elevation. We are back in the level 1. Let us go through using the south under the elevations. Here it is again. To go to the 3D view, either you can click the default 3D view button, or you can click the 3D under the 3D views. Since we visited level 1 and some elevations, 3D, etc. So all these windows are open. On clicking this switch windows button, these are the windows which is already open and they are behind this window. This is the active window. In order to close all the hidden windows, click this button. Now you can click and check here, all the hidden windows are closed. Only 3D view is the current window that is left open. Let me go to level 1 once again. If there are sections available like this, we can either click the head of this section or this section to view the section. Here is our section. If drawing sheets are available, we can also visit the drawing sheets under the sheets. Here is a sheet. Double click this to view the sheet. Let me close this drawing. In order to tile the windows, go to the View tab and click the Tile window. Or you can use the shortcut WT, which you can see in the command help. WT. As you know, for the zoom extent, ZE. Double click the title of the view to make it maximize. In order to close the project, click the application menu and click the close option, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl F4. Since I don't want to save the project, so I am selecting the No button. This concludes today's session. Thanks for being with me. Just a friendly reminder to subscribe, like, comment and share. Have a nice time and see you soon again.